Hi everybody, this is Carla, just vlogging life, and welcome to my lookbook, Summer 2020. So this deep lavender one-piece flower print romper comes with pockets on the sides. It can be worn on the shoulders or off the shoulders, and I paired it with my yellow see-through aviator glasses, and it's very soft and comfortable. And guess what? I purchased it at Rite Aid with my rewards. It was only $24.99, and I had enough rewards points to purchase this little gal here. I really like it. So here I've paired a sleeveless Aztec tunic print top with a diesel denim pair of shorts. Yeah, this is my lazy Saturday afternoon look, especially when the weather is nice, and I think I'm looking cute. I purchased this top at Cavender's in Houston, Texas. Yep. So here I've paired an A-line African print skirt with a basic V-neck white tee tied in a knot on the side, and a denim vest jacket with a wedge heel handle. You guys, I just love an A-line print skirt for church. Nothing like it. The look really comes together with my white framed blue lens aviator glasses and my jean vest that's repurposed from my closet. The skirt and the tee are from Amazon. This work from home look incorporates a pair of winter green and white striped Old Navy Bermuda shorts with a sheer white high-low top and a 3/4 denim vest that has little rips and tears and shreds, and I just love this look together. It's really cute, it's functional, and it's good for around the house. I'm not going anywhere. This is the COVID event going on, and yeah, I still want to look good. So this little number here, A Night on the Town with Hubby, features a metallic pink pencil skirt and a custom white basic tee, and it is customized with my husband's cute face, one of my favorite photos of him. I sent it off to Amazon and it was printed on the shirt, and the skirt also comes from Amazon, and those black boots are from Windsor. These are some of the accessories that help pull the looks together, and this particular look has my pink Coach wristlet and aviator mirror shades. After COVID, it's date night and live music with hubby. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, and shout out to DJ Mr. Carter, my hubby, for being my cameraman.